Welcome to 5819 Catalina Drive in Columbus. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and approximately 1924 square feet. The downstairs addition is awesome with a bonus living space, master bedroom, and full bath. The covered patio overlooks the fenced-in backyard, with plenty of green space to play and a separate workshop, perfect for all of your weekend projects. This is 5819 Catalina Drive. Don't miss it.
Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you're interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.